Assalamu alaikum, welcome to this channel. In this video I am going to discuss the second poem of Sachal Sarmast, that is Friend, This Is the Only Way. Now I have discussed the introduction of Sachal Sarmast, a biography, in the previous video, and you can go and watch from that video. Now the summary of the Friend, This Is Only Way is I have written on the notes, and I am going to read from the notes the summary, and then I will tell you critical analysis of the poem later in the video. The poet advises to the people by calling them friends. In the title he says there is only one way to get success, to get what you want, and then he tells the way in the poem. He advises them not to follow the paths of other people. It is not sure that you will get the same what others have got. Make your ways all by yourself. Now I am going to read the poem so that you can easily understand it. Friend, this is the only way to learn the secret way. Ignore the paths of others, even the saints' steep trails. Don't follow, don't journey at all. Rip the wheel from your face. I have discussed the overall topic of the poem, and in the notes it is like Iqbal says, तराश तेशा खुद ज़्यादा रफ्त बराह दीगरा रफ्तन अजाब अस्त. अगर हम दूसरों के रास्ते पे चलेंगे तो वो किसी अजाब से कम नहीं है, हमें अपना रास्ता खुद तलाश करना है. ठीक है. Then he says, know yourself, think what you want and what is good for you. You are unique. Don't follow the footsteps of others, and don't sit idle to wait for someone to come and help you. Make your own paths by knowing yourself and clearing all the doubts. Only then you can succeed. This was all the summary of the poem, and now the critical analysis is basically, as Sachal Sarmast, he was a mystic poet, and his writings reflects the love for superiority and the love of God. They are the two things that run parallel in his poetry. So mystic poets जो थे, they believed that the way to find God is the only way to find yourself. Humans are crown creation of God, and they are meant to do great things, but their doings are molded in erroneous imperative. Sachal Sarmat, in his poetry, he wanted to awaken basically the dead soul of humans by guiding them to find a way for their selves, to learn the secret of their being, and by stopping them to follow the path of wrong. In first two lines of the poem, he said that the only way to find God is the way to find yourself. So, as humans are part of God's soul, and if they want to know themselves, they should go towards the higher spirit of their self. Higher spirit is God. If they want to know themselves, they should go towards the higher spirit. In the next two lines, the Sachal Sarmas, he was guiding humans to stop going behind the saints, because they are not the role models. They are not perfect. They are just like you. They can also be unfair. जो हम ये जो मौलवी वगैरह हैं या जो हमें बताते हैं, वो कहते हैं कि उनको हमें फॉलो नहीं करना चाहिए. जो हमारे रोल मॉडल हैं, जो हमारे प्रॉफिट है, हमें उनको फॉलो करना है. वो परफेक्ट हैं. हमें उन्हीं से हमें ज़िंदगी जीने का तरीका सीखना चाहिए. And the right way is always inside yourself, and all you have to do is rip that wheel from your face so you can see the real meanings of your being. So he tell the secret that the code of the life is to build your ways, make yourself a different person, and whose paths should be different from the world. So this is the only way to find the secret way. That was all about the poem. Allah Hafiz.